Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can see the new trending coins early on Pump.fun. So first you just have to open your Pump.fun account, and from here you just have to switch from trending to new. So I'm just going to click on the trending from here, and you just have to look for the coins with first buys within 1 to 3 minutes and also 5 to 20 holders fast. And lastly is market cap moving steadily, not flat. So coins that go viral usually show activity immediately, but not after 30 minutes. So the second method also is to watch early momentum signals. So you just have to focus on the rapid buys. So these are the multiple wallets buying close together. So this is the smooth bonding curve moving, which is not one giant spike. So there is no massive sell in the first 2 to 3 minutes. So what you're going to be avoiding is the one with wallet holding 50% plus, also dev dumping early, and the dead charts after first pump. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!